I think we're at the point where we just have to savor the nice days, because you blink and they change so fast to something less pleasant.
Exactly. I'm getting deja vu from earlier in the summer where we just kind of had a pattern of rainstorm after rainstorm, and that's kind of what we're dealing with this week. But we do have a little bit of a break the next couple of days, but Thursday night is going to be our next rainmaker. Looking outside right now, though, you wouldn't know that there's rain in the forecast. Clear skies tonight, currently 70 degrees, so a little warm here in Portland for 11 p.m. and dew point of 57, so feels nice and fresh out there. Now, in terms of the radar, there's nothing to see here for now. We had a lot of rain move through yesterday, some places clocking in at over 5 inches of rain, but at least today, things remain dry. Low temperatures tonight, right around average to just below average for this time of year. Up in the northern mountains might be a little bit cooler, but otherwise upper 50s to lower 60s. Now, tomorrow might be the hottest day for the next few days for a lot of us, getting into the upper 70s to lower 80s, and that's because we're going to start out the day with some sunshine, allows our temperatures to get up a little bit higher. Now, something that also will be getting higher is our dew points. We can use it here a little bit to track the next couple of storm systems that will actually be happening. So the dew point goes up as we get into that storm system on Thursday and then drops down behind it. And then we'll have another system moving in for the weekend, which dips our dew points back up again. And then after that system moves through, we get a little bit of relief. So on a dew point roller coaster for the next couple of days. Now, the main thing that we're looking into is the rain for Thursday night. So we'll start out the day nice on Thursday, but we'll start to have some of those high clouds stream in earlier in the morning. And then as we get to midday, that's when we'll start to get some of those heavier clouds. And though some spots that have some more sunshine in the afternoon could pop up a few thunderstorms. Otherwise dry until we get to the overnight hours. Now you can see kind of below me here, this is the center of low pressure. So the heaviest rain for the most part is going to stay to our south. However, we've had so much rain, especially yesterday and even in the summer, that not that much rain can cause some flooding. So that's something that we're going to have to watch for throughout the day tomorrow, because we could see couple inches of rain with this system as well. Some heavier thunderstorms could cause some of that as well. But once we get into Friday, the system luckily moves pretty quickly, so we'll be mostly dry Friday, otherwise just a few scattered pop-up thunderstorms. And then as we get into the beginning of the weekend, things are looking dry for at least the first half of the weekend. Seas 2 to 3 feet and water at 66 degrees. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, we had a little bit of a break from the rain today and tomorrow for most of the day, but then we are going to have that heavier rain Thursday night into early Friday morning, so we'll have to watch for any flash flooding associated with that. Then once we get into the beginning of the weekend, Saturday definitely the nicest day. Sunday, however, humidity really takes an uptick, a little bit cool, and we'll have just some afternoon showers that could be heavy at times, and then we'll start the next week on a brighter note, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, that active pattern continues, Alex. So we have a lot of systems coming through kind of one after another, but the main concern that we have right now is definitely going to be Thursday overnight with that chance of flooding.
All right, we'll be watching. Thank you, Dana.
Of course.